Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the Snowball Skirmish activity on the Bloxburg winter minigame. So you're just going to take the snowball and you're just going to aim it to these I don't know, they're like bots, I guess. They're not like real people, like real players. You're just going to throw it to them as much as you can without getting like detected, because they will throw one at you. Oh my gosh, that is so bad. Why can I not? Okay. So you're just going to aim it at them like this. Well, try to. See, because they'll throw some back. Oh my gosh, why is there now a lot of people? Wait! But that's pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.